My father actually had a heart attack 3 November last year. It was 3 a.m. in the morning, and then he didn't tell any one of us that he's having chest pain. But suddenly he comes to my room and then he tells me that he's having chest pain. Immediately we got out of bed and we rushed to an emergency in our country. So straight away they actually did his ECG and all the required tests, and then we found out that he had a heart attack. We didn't have any idea how bad the heart attack was or how the blockage was or anything. So after that we got all the tests done, and then we were actually advised that there's nothing that they can do in our country. So we had to look at our options. In the hospital they told us that there's nothing that they can do, so we have to actually get further advice from all the other hospitals that you can get. So we actually sent the angiogram report to India, and we also sent it to Australia as well to see if what is the damage and how much is it gonna cost and all those things to get the surgery done. So after that we actually contacted one of our friends, helped us. His name is Shashank. So he has been very helpful. He has been there for us from the start. He has been helping with the quotations and getting us here, and yes, so that's how we actually found out that he had a heart attack and everything. When we came to Dharamshila, we were picked up by our cab, and Shashank was also there to pick us up, and then he brought us here, and the admission process and everything was so smooth that we didn't even feel that we are admitted. And after a few hours he was admitted, and overnight all the tests were done. So it was so smooth, we didn't even feel that okay, all these tests are being done. And it was, when I saw the list of the tests that they had done overnight, it was extraordinary. We didn't even know that all that can be done in such fast phase. So we actually felt that we were in good hands. We didn't throughout the stay in the hospital, me and my parents, all of us were here, and we didn't even feel that we are not in our country. It felt that we are actually in our own country, and the facilities and everything was so good. So Dr. Mitesh Sharma, we met him the second day, and he explained to us after looking at the reports that we had brought with us.
Mr. Munidewan was referred from Fiji Islands to Dharamshila Narayana Superspeciality Hospital for treatment of his heart disease. He had recently suffered a heart attack 2 months back, and angiography which was done in Fiji showed critical blockages in all the 3 arteries, and he was advised to undergo a bypass surgery because that facility was not available there. So when Mr. Dewan came in after his pre-operative workup, we took him up for surgery. We did a beating heart bypass surgery where we put 4 bypass grafts for him. We used an internal mammary artery from inside the chest and 3 veins also from his legs. His post-operative recovery was very normal, and he was discharged from the hospital within 1 week. And after staying at the hotel for another 4-5 days, now he is ready to go home back to his country.
By meeting him, we actually gained confidence in that we are actually going to be fine in his end. And after the surgery we met him again, and ever since then we have been meeting him on couple of days, and he's been really good. My dad is actually feeling better, and we are assured that the surgery that has been done is actually really good. We would like to thank everyone in Dharamshila Hospital, thank each and every one of you for the help and the support that you have provided.